So we start with the left first, like this. So it's then again 4, then again 1, then 5. So I play this one and this one for the 5, this one and this one for the 1, then this one and this one for the 4. So very simple. In fact, I always like reggae because it's easy to learn. Not like the 7 and the praise and the worship that are complicated. So you see, very simple. So it's just, so as the beat plays, you just play. Start from the 1. You see, without the beat like this. Start with the right hand. Then now you come to the left hand. You start with, you play both of them like you do the practice. So that is basically for the reggae. Despite the progression, actually, any progression, the reggae remains. The reggae remains, even if you want to play 4, 5, 4. So it's the same. The progression doesn't matter. You can only play. So progression you can use any, but I just want you to learn it. That is the how do you call it? The technique. I'm just playing the same chords. If it is 1, it is 1. 4, it is 4. So I start with this other side. So like that.